Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kiss the Moon. Chapter 7. So, here it is. Let's read the story. To Wang Ting, right now she's been busy. Wow, big production arranged by a 5-star hotel for us. To us, the boss, to keep up the good work. I heard that producer asked for the boss name, but many experienced team members didn't want him. Right now, Wang Ting. Well, they're all weird. Right now, she's speaking to someone else. Looking at it, she seems to be serious. She's been busy lately. I have been with the team for more than a month. Please pay more attention to the studio. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me, especially Li He. I was probably angry when I brought Shinsi with me. Once you know the boss, make sure you complete the task. Right now, one thing is dividing the work to the team. That's why she's making a call. But when you're done, go up first and come to my room for a meeting later. Jinjin, you can make arrangement. Got it, Sister Wanting. Now, looking at her, supervising. She was thinking, good business, thanks to you this time. I heard from Sister Meng that you originally planned to rest for a while, but something happened suddenly. Since one thing, she's been busy talking to the phone. Something came in. It's better to have a job than to be idle at home. Oh, it turned out they really bring her here. One thing, she seems to be surprised. She really can't believe herself that she was seeing her. Teacher Tang, what a coincidence. Do you leave her too? Oh, it turns out she really get this by the other employee. For her, it seems to be false. Of course, she looks really gorgeous tonight, but it's a little bit difficult. Well, she really false. Maybe she really want to see something from them. Yes, what a coincidence. One thing said to them. Looking at her, she seems to be sad. That's why she can easily. Yes, what a coincidence. You go up first. One thing, talking something to her employee. Seems that she was really cornered by these three men. Well, let's hope that they can have an agreement. Director Shang, one thing said to him. Director Shan said, Teacher Tang is also here. Oh, this is great. The two of them finally will meet each other. After that night, it's been greeted. Teacher Tang is also here. Well, looking at her, one thing, she seems to be surprised. Miss Tang was here. And Miss Tang said to her, we meet again. Oh, looking at her, she was really shining. A beautiful face. And she looks really gorgeous on whatever she wears. Back then, you know each other. Well, we have cooperated before. Arthur said, that's good, that's good. Well, it seems that it's not really hard to find, since the two of them are close. But, Director, Tang Wang Ting is our costume teacher for display. Costume matching, design, production, all the characters in the play were prepared by Teacher Tang and her team. Director seems to be introducing her, all the team members. There are reports that Yu Shao evaded taxes, and you know that this is very taboo nowadays. Well, director said, when an actor feels all the hard work of the crew are wasted. Right now, she is thinking hard, and the previous plan may need to be adjusted again. Right now, looking at her, she looks really serious. It was really troublesome, and it seems that her head is spinning. Seeing Miss Tang right now, look at her. She closed her eyes and pretending not seeing her. But for Mr. Tang right now, she go back after a long silence. Finally, on her mind, She was really thinking how to answer one thing at this moment. She really looks gorgeous. Although right now, Shang, do you have a time? I would like to measure your specific body data so I can make timely adjustment. Right now, what are you thinking? Why suddenly she want to take her sizes? Well, it's something off here. Okay, just contact me in advance. Mr. Tang said to Wang Ting. The two of them still looking into each other, especially Mr. Tang right now. She really can't help herself but just to watch for her. After the meeting of the two of them, finally, Miss Tang, she was at home. Suddenly, her phone rang. Who could it be again? She's been busy on whole days, taking and answering the phone. Fine then. It was so late. A model worker. Miss Tang, right now, she really can't help herself, but seems to be calm. Teacher Shang, do you have any time now? I will test the data for you. It was room 2510. I'm off right now. Oh, this is really tricky, but a little bit disappointed. When Miss Tang came in, Wang Ting, she seems to be surprised. Now, she was only looking for Mr. Tang right now. Now, she is thinking about her figures. Well, what happened to conservative mom right now? It seems that she was really jealous on the things. Mr. Tang, right now, she really looks gorgeous. When you send a message, I was taking a bath and couldn't find my coat. We're all women anyway, so it's related. Oh, this girl is trying to coax her. Like, right now, she's giving so much advice. When you send a message, I was taking a bath and couldn't find my clothes. Don't worry, I will finish the measurement as soon as possible. One thing and Mr. Tang right now, two of them still waiting. Are you a fan of Shu Shao? Well, it seems that the relationship of the two of them becomes smooth, especially right now. One thing wants to measure her. Suddenly, Mr. Tang grabbed her hands. Well, is she trying to coax her right now? Seems that, but looking at the two of them, then why did you look unhappy when you heard assistant director say that the actor was replaced by me? Oh, of course. He seems to be surprised. He really got worried about her. Well, guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!